This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. Alright, this is my only good night to ride. Weather's gonna be crap all week, so I need to get out while I can. Oh man, looks nice. Oh, this is beautiful. All right, 50. Be a little windy around here. Traffic's dying down a little bit after 6 o'clock, 6:30. I'm still not sure if I like these mirrors or not. I can see, I can see okay. I gotta kind of lean a little bit. Maybe they have some more adjustment to them, but I'm really curious how the bar end ones are gonna do. Bar end ones I might have to kind of turn my head more too. I don't know. Cruise is pretty good at 50. I'm at about 65 RPM, 6,500 I mean. This bike's a lot of fun though. Can't wait till it's warmer and I can consistently ride to work. This is my work. All right there. Minneapolis Air Traffic Control Center. When it gets warmer, I'll be riding this thing there more routinely. Oh, bumpy. Let's go explore. Sneak back here just because you can. Sure, there's a train going by. That'd be kind of cool. I'm gonna sneak down to a cool area that I probably shouldn't go, but we'll see what it looks like and hopefully I don't get in trouble. Alright, there's an area back here that I'm pretty sure motorized vehicles probably shouldn't be going, but it's a Grom and I might try to get away with it. And the snowmobile trail used to go over it. So, if snowmobiles used to go on it, you would think I could go on it. Alright. Let's do this. This is cool. See, now this is what Groms are about. Let's not slip on this though. This is cool. This is cool. It's a walking path, so I gotta look out for people. And it's pretty bumpy. Yeah, he's probably not too happy with me doing that. Whatever. I'm not hurting anybody. There's some train tracks that run along here. So yeah, the snowmobile trail used to cut right through that field. Right where these trains are. Alright. Back on the road. Hopefully should be safe from the law for now. Send it. This is full throttle, holding about 52, 53. Dual tuck. Whoa. Yeehaw! Does he see me? Thank you. Ah, windy. Pushing me around. We're almost home. This is a fun ride. This is a fun ride. Alright, back into the garage. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one.